Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add keyframe in videos by CapCut. So if you are using CapCut for editing videos, so you have to simply use the keyframe usually for making a video most attractive. So first you have to import a video clip. So I'm going to add this ad here and the timeline here. So I'm going to show you by this minimization section. Now from here you can add a keyframe from here. For example, I want to add a keyframe from here. So you can add keyframe like this. Here is the dots that you can add the keyframe or use the feature as keyframe. So you can actually make it zoom in or zoom out. You can set the scale keyframe by tap on this, or you can add a positioning keyframe, or you can add a rotation keyframe also on your video. For example, I'm going to add this keyframe. So here you can see the keyframe has just added here. You can see. Now I'm going to choose another expected section here, just like this. I'm going to add another position keyword, and I'm going to just expand this video to that section here, just like this. Now if I show you, it will look like this. So that's how you can add a keyframe in CapCut. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.